Congratulations on taking the important step to safeguard your home and loved ones by choosing radon mitigation. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to prepare for a successful radon mitigation system installation. Prior to the installation, we will maintain clear communication about the installation date and any specific requirements and questions you may have. We're happy to answer. On the day of installation, we have a lot of equipment and materials to load and unload, so we ask that your driveway and garage are accessible and clear as best as possible. We will need easy access to the installation location, so remove any obstructions or clutter around these areas and other areas where we'll be performing the work. This includes clearing pathways for the installer to move equipment and materials through. Although we operate a vacuum with our drills to minimize dust, if you have any concerns, you can cover or move any valuables or delicate items in the installation area to protect them from any possible debris. Inform your family members about the installation date and any necessary precautions. It's essential to keep everyone aware and safe. You can expect loud machinery, especially during the first hour of the work. So if you have pets, construction work can be unsettling for them. So let us know how we can best accommodate your pets during the installation or make other arrangements during that time. Thank you for taking the necessary steps to protect your home and family from the dangers of radon. Your preparedness will contribute to a successful and effective radon mitigation system.